Fais un bisou à papa. Papa! Ok, tu es sage à l'école, d'accord? À tout à l'heure. Hi guys, today is Monday. Picture that this is gonna be the star of the day, so clap for the star of the day.
Why are you whining? You didn't eat?
I hope you had a good weekend.
Let's stay here.
I'm going to walk now. Enjoy today's vlog and I'll see you guys when I come back.
Yes. Tell Papa bye bye.
Au revoir, Tala.
Je travaille.
Oui. Et toi, c'est l'école. D'accord?
D'accord.
Honey, let me give you a joke before you go. The other morning he saw me using this in his hair. You know what he told me? He said, no, mama, that is not for my hair. That's for when you're washing the bathroom.
Jag var så sure, jag var så att säga det.
Hilarious. I couldn't stop laughing.
Alright, I love you.
Love you too. You don't want to be pretty for your pictures? Huh? You want everybody else to be prettier than you?
Yeah.
What? No.
Yeah.
My boy have to be super handsome today.
Yeah. No.
Come.
I like to be handsome. I want to be pretty.
Baby, I love you.
Love you too. Bye. Later.
Papa, au revoir.
Au revoir, mon gars.
Show Papa the smile you're gonna give today.
Nice. Good. À tout à l'heure.
Bless you.
The girl is pretty and the boy is handsome.
What did you say? What did you say?
Pretty and the boy is handsome.
Yeah, turn around. Let me see your face. Very good. Let me see the smile you're gonna do for pictures today. Very good. All right. You ready to go? Ready? Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. How many? 2. You want medicine?
Yeah.
You guys, I am heading out to take my boy to school right now. Today is like a dream come true day for me because Tyler have picture day. You know, one of those days that you look forward to as a parent. It's just one of those days that I've been looking forward to see him taking school pictures, and it's finally happening today. So he's looking all fresh and looking all cute and ready to go to school. He have pictures with his class and then he have pictures by himself, so he's actually pretty excited to take his pictures today. And he have his signature smile. Show me a pretty smile you're gonna do today. Right. All right, tell Fav, see you guys later. Tell them later. All right, let's go. Go. Else we're gonna be late. Don't want to be late for school, so I'm not even letting him wear any hat this morning because I want his hair to stay fresh. Anyway, you guys, I'm heading out right now to drop this little nugget off at school. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully you guys stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and get everything done that you have to do today. I am heading out in a rush, so I'll catch you guys later. You guys, it's that time of the day where hunger is killing me, and this is what lunch. So what I didn't show you guys, look at my fridge open though, is that I have been in the kitchen making dinner. And can you guess what I make for dinner today? Boom! Ackee and saltfish. I'm on an ackee and saltfish train. So ackee and saltfish is for dinner. The boys will have rice because there's rice in the fridge. and I tell babe to stop at the store and pick me up some green bananas because that's what I want. Green banana and ackee and sawfish. So baby's gonna pick me up some green banana and I'll cook them when I get back from work because I gotta go to work later. So when he pick up Tyler, he'll figure out if he's gonna pick up the bananas before he come home to get Tyler or after he get Tyler. Anyway, you guys, dinner is all done and now I am going to rest up a bit before I get fresh for work. So I'll catch you guys later.
Hi guys. Hi. I'm home. It's late and I went to pick up Tyler at school. I went to the supermarket to get some stuff. The road is busy. There is a football game outside, so when we go supermarket we have to go beside the stadium, so it's always full if we're going at the same time. So we did that. I about to share dinner. Tyler is so Tyler don't want to eat. Tyler Tyler is chewing. Tyler, what you gonna eat tonight? Non, tu vas manger. Tyler, tu vas manger. Oh, these kids, they think they decide. Alright, this is Tyler dinner. This is what he really gonna eat. This is some, whoops. This is some rice and some fish. I'm gonna eat some meat, some beef that babe cooked. I tasted it was so pepper, so I hope I'll be able to eat it. I hope you all have a great day. Baby's at work. She's gonna come back soon. Tyler is whining. Tyler don't want to eat. Tyler wants to eat but his own thing. So yeah, I'll catch you guys.
You guys, babe came through for me and went and get green banana. So dinner is complete and I'm gonna eat right now because I'm hungry. I got home from work and whipped this banana and dumpling up real quick. And I'm gonna grab right now because I'm hungry. Thanks for my banana.
You're welcome.
You guys, I forget to tell you guys that babe had a death in his family today. So another sad day in the family. Babe uncle passed away. So it's kind of gloomy, but I guess life goes on. Look at this boy. To your room! Tyler, come go put on your clothes. Go to your room. Run along. Come! Tyler, come. I'm not playing with you. Oh, you're naked. What?
Not to make some out the girls. Two.
Jam MCD.
Jam and see.
Tyler, stop. Jam MCD. D.
Dad.
Stop. You play too much. And Ella Chris.
Ella Chris.
Ella Chris. Tell us stop playing. He plays too much. You guys, he's so hilarious. He's in a playing mood tonight and I'm not in for it. So the notification shout out for today goes to Jam MCD and Ella Chris. Thank you guys and all you guys like it. Prayers. You guys, as I'm editing today's vlog, Tyler school pictures came in today. And here goes the school picture. That's my star boy right there. His pictures are everything. Look at that. These pictures are everything. When I saw it today, I almost cried. I'm like, look at my baby. Anyway, you guys. Anyway, you guys, thank you guys for watching today's vlog. That's where I'm gonna leave it for today, because I'm editing real quick so you guys can get it right now as you're about to watch. So give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new to the fam. Catch up and keep up. We love you guys, and of course we'll see you guys tomorrow.